welcome back to my channel. My name is Shiv and we haven't met before. If you're coming back, then welcome, hello, and in today's video I am filming this Pride rainbow inspired makeup tutorial for loved ones all around. If you're going to Pride this weekend or whenever Pride is, I think it's like this month, then definitely let me know. Hope you have an amazing time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be alerted when I upload a new video. If you would like to see how I created this look, then please carry on watching and I shall show you how. I've got to dash to work in literally 5 minutes, so I'm going to take a few pictures and then I'm going to go to work looking like a rainbow. Without further ado, let's just show you how to create this look. So the first shade that I'll be taking for this Pride inspired makeup look is this one right here, which is this hot pink shade from the Morphe 35B palette. I'm taking this on my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. I don't know why I mixed them up, they're two completely different brushes, but anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and take this, tap off the excess, and then start blending. I've already primed my eyes and popped on my brows. I haven't set my base just because I found last time I really liked the way it looks. I just feel like it makes the shadow more pigmented. So I'm just taking this into the crease of my eye, just in backwards and forwards motions, just to really blend out the colour into the crease of the eye, then just in little circles on the outer corner to blend it in. Then to blend that out, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is a matte kind of light pink shade, just to blend it out towards the brow. I'm just taking this on a Spectrum's Collections blending brush. So I'm just going to place this just above that hot pink shade, just to help blend it out towards the brow. The next one I'm going to take is this one right here, which is a bright matte purple shade. I'm taking this on a Real Techniques crease brush. I'm just going to start by blending this into the deep crease of my eye, not bringing it up high at all. I'm also going to focus this on the outer corner of my eye and just kind of blend it out a little bit to create some smokiness. Then I'll take that pink again just on top of the purple, just so you can still see it. And then I'll go back in with the dark purple shade just to build it up again and go back and forth a couple times until I like how it looks. It will take a couple times to build it up. Next I'm going to cut the crease of my eye using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. This is going to help the matte bright colour shades look really intense and vibrant, and also help them to stick down. So I'm just going to take this little brush here, which is a flat synthetic one, just to kind of get some of the product on the brush so I can use it. Then what I'm going to do, I'm not going to take this really high, but I'm just going to apply a little bit of the product on the inner part of the crease, and then just draw a line starting from my inner corner and then just pulling around the socket. I'm not going to take this too high at all. Then I'll just flip the brush around and apply the rest of the product on that middle kind of section. It will go a little bit purple because you've obviously got the purple shadow down, but don't worry, that will get covered up. Then I'm just putting this around the socket on this side. And I'm going to fill it in all the way until the end of my eye. So the first shade for this rainbow look is going to be this yellow one right here. And I'm just going to pack that on the inner corner of my eye. Next I'm going to move along to this orange shade right here, taking it on a flat synthetic brush and applying it next to the yellow. I'm just overlapping the yellow just a little bit, just to help it kind of blend in like a nice gradient effect. And then, you guessed it, we're going to go in with a red shade, which is right here from the same Morphe 35B palette. I'm just packing this on the outer corner, just slightly overlapping the orange shade. Then I'll take the brush that had the dark purple shade and just blend this out a little bit on the outer corner. Just in a teeny tiny wriggly motion. Next I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to apply a winged liner, and this is the Nip and Fab liquid pen liner to do this. So I'm just going to start with the middle of my eye. Then I'm just going to draw a line from the outer corner of my eye towards my brow. And then pull it downwards and fill it in the triangle. Next I'm going to curl my lashes. And apply a generous coat of mascara. This is the Sigma Sinuosity Lash Mascara. It's really, really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my lashes. Next I'm going to pop on these lashes from Lash Unlimited. I have a discount code for these, which is shivonmakeupbiz 20. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a nice little discount code. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these lashes. They stick out at the outer corner. My hand's shaking so much. Anyway, they stick out the outer corner and they're super spacey and pretty. So I'm just going to pop on these lashes and I'll be right back. Next I'm just going to take that jumbo eye pencil again and go under my lower lash line just to create a nice base for the bright shadows. Then I'll take my pinky finger just to help blend it out. So I'm first going to take that yellow shade and just pop this right on that inner corner. Really pack it on. Then I'm going to take this green right here and then I'm just going to pack that next to the yellow shade. And then I'm going to take this blue right here and pop it on the outer corner. Then I'll just take the brush that had the purple on it just to kind of like blend it together at the outer corner. Then to actually conceal, I'll be taking the Conceal and Define Concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C4. Applying some to my chin, top of my lip, around the sides of my mouth, to the middle of my forehead. In between the brows, and then a little bit down the centre of my nose. This will just help to make your face look more structured. Then I'm going to apply it under my eyes in an upside down triangle to really brighten up that area. Then I'm just going to take my Real Technique sponge to blend it out. Then to set everything into place, I'll be taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the shade Transparent. I'm just going to take the foundation off my lips with a little cotton bud. I'm now going to contour with the Sleek Contour Kit, of what's left of it anyway. I'm taking this shade right here to contour. I'm taking this on my MAC 109 contour brush. So I'm just going to contour lightly under my cheekbones and then bringing it round like in a C shape around my cheekbone and temple. And then I'm also going to take this around the kind of tops of my forehead just to kind of help shape the face. And then under my jawline, don't know what to call it anyway. This is just going to help kind of like eliminate the double chin situation. Then I'm going to take a little bit of that down the sides of my nose. Then to actually bronze up my face, I'll be taking the Technic Superfine Matte Bronzer. And I'm just going to start by bronzing up my face, just like in a larger portion where you would contour basically. And then take that down the neck as well. Then for blush, I'm going to take this coral shade from the Sleek Lace palette. You don't need a lot of this at all, it's so pigmented. Popping this on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'll just take that bronzer brush to blend it out. Next I'm going to set the face, and I'm going to be taking the Revolution Pro Supreme Hold Makeup Finishing Spray. And then I'm just going to fan it dry. So moving on to the brows, I'm just going to go ahead and set them into place, taking the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Then for highlighter, I'll be taking the Sleek Solstice palette. I'm going to be mixing this shade and this shade right here to create the perfect glow. I'm also applying some just above the brow, just for a luminous glow. And I'll also be applying some just to the tip of my nose and down the centre of my nose, as well as the top of my lip, just like the way this looks personally. Now on to my lips. I'm going to line them using Revolution's Vow Lip Liner, which is a brownie nude. Then I quite fancy applying a gloss, so I'm going to take the Amber Lip Gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Then lastly, I'm just going to take some mascara and pop this on my lower lash line. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you're going to any Pride events, have an amazing time celebrating love, wins, around. And yeah, I really hope you like this rainbow makeup look. I did do a similar look this like a few years ago now. It's had a load of views. I obviously have like developed my talents like and skills and stuff over the years, so I thought I would do it again. And this time I've done like more of a cut crease because I've learned now how to do that, so it's always good to kind of like develop looks that you've already done. But yeah, I'll link that video down below if you want to go check out my old tutorials with my really old cheesy intro, so definitely go check that out. If you did enjoy, I've got to stick my teeth, no. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would absolutely mean the world. And welcome to the Siobhan family, and hit the little notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video. And if you do, leave a comment down below and let me know that you've hit the notification bell, because it would just mean the world, and I would love to see like who wants to watch my videos. But yeah, I hope you have an amazing time, Pride, celebrating love, and I shall see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!
Fresh